CHIGO, a stage for those who dare to dream, with 20 years of dedication and expertise in one field. More than 20 years ago, Li Xinghao dived into the air conditioning industry with the ambition to manufacture the best air conditioners in the world for better life of humanity. Motivated by the ambition of manufacturing the best air conditioners in the world, CHIGO Group has developed into a large-scale enterprise and designed annual production capacity of 10 million air conditioners, with business activities in over 200 countries and regions across the world. In 2015, with Jackie Chan as the new spokesman, CHIGO Group has engaged on a new journey of strategic transition and brand upgrading as the leader of high-end air conditioners.
走过不平凡的20多年，志高经历风霜，也收获成长。我们将一如既往的专注空调领域，以高端引领，开启新时代，为广大用户提供更好的产品和服务，让人类生活得更加美好。
CHIGO, leader of high-end air conditioners.
怎么样打造世界上最好的空调？
要有核心科技保障。为了造世界上最好的空调，创业初期我们就与三菱、松下等国际强企联合，汇聚世界空调尖端技术，打造出行业最完整的产业链，为全线产品注入最强的科技基因。要有权威的国家认可实验室，为产品可靠性保驾护航。
In 2006, CHIGO launched its Super Air Conditioner, Super 3, refreshing new health and technology records of energy conservation, quietness, and smoke and dust removal.
跨时代的好产品必须拥抱时代。进入工业革命 4.0 时代的今天，互联网、智能化、后现代等元素互相碰撞，我们用核心科技创造最好的空调，满足消费者最深层次的需求。
要想永远把握消费者的需求，志高必须走在消费者前面，要开发出消费者想得到的产品，更要开发出他们想不到的产品。例如，自2009年起，我们从交互性、便利性、智能化等方面与用户进行沟通互动，不断完善设计方案。历时3年多，2012年，志高终于推出了全球首款智能云空调。
CHIGO Smart Cloud Air Conditioner, 1 core, 5 functions, 8 advantages. It's more than being smart. High-end means premium performance as well. (16 dB super low noise), highly effective removal of PM 2.5, healthy and energy efficient. No matter how far you travel, love never fades away. 360-degree comfort and care for your family. CHIGO's leadership in the high-end market is built upon the innovation and breakthrough of smart, frequency inverter, healthy, energy-saving, and quiet product series. Smart King series shine in the 117th Canton Fair and was reported by CCTV and satellite TVs. CHIGO Smart King series set a world record by virtue of 58 Smart Cloud functions on September 22, 2015, and was awarded the certificate of the most intelligent air conditioner in the world. Smart King Split Air Conditioner owns 5 core cloud functions, including 16 dB super quiet, efficient removal of PM 2.5, and formaldehyde removal of up to 92%. Smart King Floor Standing Air Conditioner with Super Smart Cloud technology is featured by 3D full DC inverter, efficient removal of PM 2.5, and energy-saving ECO Plus mode. The launch of CHIGO Smart Cloud Air Conditioner is the great achievement of the newest core technology and leading air conditioning industry into the era of smart cloud. CHIGO is the pioneer of this era. CHIGO, a master of the smart cloud core technology. CHIGO, a leader of the high-end air conditioners.
用精密制造，造世上最好的空调。
2015, a brand new CHIGO, leading the industrial trend and rising from the high-end market.
要达到高端空调，必须使用高品质压缩机，需要全球顶尖的制作设备，一系列高端、智能化、精加工生产线。在这一方面，公司不惜代价，给我们梦寐以求的先进设备联合国，打造完美零误差品质，是公司对我们的要求，也是我们对消费者的承诺。
Capable brains are equally indispensable to creating premium air conditioners. In our production facilities of whole unit, full upgrading of our smart manufacturing system is facilitated by smart stackers, smart pipe benders, and smart product inspection system. With an investment of over 100 million RMB, we have built over 30 laboratories, including Noise Laboratory and Enthalpy Difference Laboratory, which are accredited on international and national levels while securing a leading position in the industry. In central air conditioning, we are proud of our industrial leadership with a series of modern production lines and testing equipments, and constantly enhance brand reputation through a premiumization culture of zero tolerance in quality.
用持续发展，造世上最好的空调。
Overall channel upgrading, over 10,000 new franchise stores, and tens of thousands of terminals across the world brightens up the brand image. Constant capital injection from international capital market in Hong Kong. Strategic expansion of our private brand over 2 decades has extended our marketing network across Southeast Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and Middle East, with multiple marketing centers all over the world to serve our global users. A brilliant debut on international expositions with all postures of a leader. Significant achievements of over 2 decades have been highly applauded by the government and the society. We spare no efforts in contributing to the society, caring for our employees, and showing love to others. Future, full implementation of smart manufacturing system. Future, full coverage of smart cloud air conditioners. Future, a brand new CHIGO aiming at 10 billion in revenues through merger and acquisition.
一直以来，我们注重产品的升级，更加注重价值的创造。 今天是一个全新的开启，我们一定会迈向更加辉煌的未来。
CHIGO AC will open a new historical chapter by leading the high-end market towards a brighter land of promises. CHIGO, making better life of humanity. CHIGO, leader of high-end air conditioners.